Hey, I'm Eric Stewart, pointing you home with Long & Foster. Today, I just want to ask you a question. Do you ever dream about doing work yourself to your own house, or do you always call a contractor? Well, if you're like me, my tool belt has two tools, a hammer and super glue. If the job falls outside of that, then I'm kind of out of luck, and I've got to call somebody in to take care of it. Then the question becomes for me, should I call a general contractor, handyman service, or should I call somebody who specifically deals in whatever it is I need to get done, like a kitchen contractor, a furnace provider, or something else along those lines? I always ask you to ask the question of what it costs to do the work, and remember that when you pay $65 an hour to have somebody come and do work for you, you had to make $85 or more to pay that $65. Because remember, you make the $85, you pay your taxes, maybe tithe, and then at the end of it, you've got $65 to spend. So you've got to make a lot of money to hire somebody to do work at your property. When you do it yourself, you just pay for the materials and your labor is just your own time. So then the balance comes down to what is the value of your time? And that's really the crux of the matter for all of us. What is the value of your time? Could you afford to do more income production by not focusing on the work you want to get done and have somebody else do it for you? Good questions to ask. For more information on real estate in general, go to ericstewartgroup.com. I'm Eric Stewart, pointing you home.